In this video, you'll learn how to fix a Facebook ad account disabled issue in just a few minutes so you can get back to running your ads and reaching your audience. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Sign in to your Meta Business Manager account, and you'll see a notification at the top explaining the reason your ad account was disabled by Meta. Next, carefully review the reason for the disable. Common causes include policy violations, suspicious payment activity, or unusual ad behavior. Understanding the exact reason is the first step to successfully fixing your ad account. Now, click on the Request, Review, or Appeal button right next to the notification. Facebook will open a form where you can explain your case and provide additional information to support your appeal request. After that, fill out the appeal form completely. Include details about your business, your ads, and any steps you've taken to fix the issue. Be honest, professional, and clear to give your appeal the best chance. Once submitted, wait for Meta's response. Reviews usually take between 24 and 72 hours. If approved, your account will be reactivated and your ads will resume running, often without any further action needed from you. And that's it. You now know how to fix a disabled Facebook ad account and get back to advertising successfully.